Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share something that can completely change the way you create wellness content. It's called WellnessMate AI, an all-in-one platform that builds your entire health and wellness business for you. No writing, no design skills, no tech headaches. You can generate full websites, customized diet plans, stunning recipe ebooks, fitness guides, video scripts, and even marketing content in seconds. Whether you want to sell meal plans, publish ebooks, or launch a full wellness brand, this tool does the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your audience. If you've been dreaming about starting a wellness business, this might be the easiest way to get started. In this video, let me show you step-by-step demo how WellnessMate AI works.
Welcome to WellnessMate AI, the all-in-one platform that lets you create products, build your store, accept payments, and deliver your files all in one place. No extra tools, no integrations, no stress. Everything you need to run a complete digital business is already built in. Let me show you how it works.
Here we can create our own digital store, so people can purchase our products directly on our e-store. So after creating content from the content creation menus, we can now set up a store to sell those digital products.
Alright, let's create your first e-store. Click Create Your First Store. Enter your store name and choose your store URL. For example, I'll name this store Coach Daniel. Wait a moment while the system checks the URL availability. Next, choose your template. You can select the design that best fits your niche. In this example, I'm building a fitness coach store, so I'll choose the fitness coach template. Then click Create e-store. In just a few seconds, your store is ready. Now you're inside your store management page. At the top, you'll see several important tabs: Products, Landing page, Branding, Customers, Legal pages, Reviews, SEO settings. Let's go through them one by one. First, let's add products. Click on the Products tab. You can add products manually by clicking Manual Add Product. Enter your product name, your description, your price, choose a category, and add the delivery URL. This is the download link that buyers will receive after purchasing. Click Create Product. You can edit the product anytime, change the name, description, or add an image. Just click Choose File, upload your image, wait for it to appear, and click Save Changes. There's also a faster way to add products. You can import them automatically from your content library. Click Auto Import from Content Library. Choose the content you want to convert into a digital product. Then click Import to Products. Once it appears in the product list, you can add an image and the delivery URL and click Save Changes. Simple and fast. Next, go to the Landing Page tab. Click Edit Landing Page. You can fill each section manually, or you can let AI generate everything for you. Just click AI Generate, wait a moment, and all sections will be filled automatically. You can still adjust the text, change images, and customize everything as you like. When you're done, click Save Changes. Now go to Branding. Here you can set your color scheme and upload your logo. Click Choose File, select your logo, and click Save Branding. Inside the Customers tab, you can see total customers, total orders, total revenue, and free leads from your newsletter form. This makes it easy to track your store's performance. The Legal Pages section is generated automatically. This includes privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy, cookie policy. No need to write them manually. In the Reviews tab, you will find all reviews submitted by your buyers after purchasing your digital products. Next is SEO settings. Here you can optimize your store for search engines. Set your website title, meta description, social sharing image, then click Save SEO Settings. This helps your store appear more professional and more discoverable online. Once everything is set, click View Store to see your live shop. If your PayPal payment isn't set up yet, the system will ask you to complete it first. Go to the Settings menu, and under Payment Settings, enter your PayPal client ID and PayPal client secret. Log into your PayPal account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the code icon to access the developer section. Click API and Credentials. Then click Create App. Enter your API name. You can name it anything you want. For example, you can use the name of your e-store. Then click Create App. Make sure you select the live mode here, not sandbox. Copy your client ID and secret key and paste them into the payment settings section. Make sure client ID is added, secret key is added, and enable payment is checked. After that, your store is officially active and ready to accept real orders. Let's take a look at an e-store created with WellnessMate AI. As you can see, the design looks very professional, with clean layouts and compelling sales copy that's ready to convert visitors into buyers. And if you're using the Pro or Reseller account, you'll also have access to the built-in AI chatbot feature. This allows potential customers to interact with your chatbot instantly, so you don't need to be online 24 hours a day to answer their questions. Now, let's try purchasing one of the products and see how easily your buyers can access the products they purchased. Customers can buy your product directly from the homepage of the e-store or through the navigation menu at the top. The process is very simple. Just click the View Details button. Here, potential buyers can see all the information about the product along with the Buy button. When they click the Buy button, they will be asked to log in or register if they don't have an account yet. After completing the registration, the buyer will be automatically logged in and will remain on the same page, ready to proceed with the payment. Here, they can choose to pay using their PayPal account or with credit or debit card. Buyers can also leave a review after they purchase the product. Once the payment is successful, the buyer is instantly redirected to their member area dashboard, where they can download the product they just purchased. And if they return to the main e-store page, they will still see the button that takes them back to their member area with ease. Inside the member dashboard, they can access all the products they've purchased, browse other products available in the e-store, and manage their profile. All the standard member area features without needing plugins or subscribing to expensive membership apps. With WellnessMate AI, everything is complete, integrated, and ready to help you start selling immediately. Now let's take a look at how to create high-quality digital products using WellnessMate AI, so you don't have to struggle or spend hours creating everything manually. Let me show you all the features, starting right from the dashboard. After you log into this application, this is the dashboard of the WellnessMate AI application. Here you can see an overview or summary of your dashboard or account. How many contents you have created, how many diet plans, how many recipes, AI prompts, video scripts, marketing content, and ebooks you have generated in this account. You can also see the latest content you created in this account. On the left side, there is a menu. Here we have several sections. One content creation menu, where we can create content such as diet plans, recipes, AI prompts, video scripts, marketing, ebooks. 2. E-stores and business. In this section, we can create our own e-store. 3. Help desk. 4. Reseller hub. This appears if we are using a reseller account. 5. Management. Here we can view the history of products or content we have already created in this account. 6. API key, for API management. 7. Settings, for configuration of our account. Now let's try content creation, starting with diet plans. Click Diet Plans. Here we can easily create a diet plan just by selecting the diet type. For example, weight loss. Then choose the duration, daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's choose weekly. We can also add additional restrictions or dietary preferences such as allergies, calorie targets, and others. If none are needed, simply click Generate Diet Plan. And within just a few seconds, your diet plan will be successfully created according to the configuration you set. You can download it as PDF or docx, so you can edit and customize it further on your computer. You can also preview the text here, copy and paste into your preferred text editor, such as Microsoft Word. Next, let's go to Recipes. Here we can easily create a recipe just by inserting the recipe name, then selecting the type and number of servings. Example, recipe name, diet breakfast. Select cuisine, Indian, Mediterranean, Asian, American, Mexican, Italian. Let's choose American. Then pick dietary type, vegan, vegetarian, keto, paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free. Then select servings, using the up and down arrows. For example, 2 servings. Click Generate Recipe. In seconds, the diet recipe is created based on the settings above. We can preview the recipe text here or download PDF or docx.
Next feature in content creation, AI prompts. Here you can create AI prompts to use in your favorite AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. Just pick a prompt template you want. Example, social media post. Fill in the placeholders such as platform, Facebook, topic, healthy food, target audience, tone, friendly, call to action. Click Generate Prompt.
Within seconds, your tailored prompt is ready to copy or download as PDF or docx.
Next, video script. Here you can create a video script for your content. Example, topic, breakfast, platform, TikTok, tone, friendly, coach, duration, 30 seconds, call to action, follow for more. Click Generate Script. Within seconds, the script is ready with a timeline, making it easy to match your script with your video content. Next, marketing. Here we can create marketing content quickly and easily. Example, email newsletter. Enter topic, target audience, SEO keywords, optional. Click Generate.
Within seconds, your email newsletter is ready, and you can download it as PDF or docx.
Next, ebooks. Click here to create ebooks easily. You can insert ebook idea, writing tone, number of chapters, additional information. Example, ebook idea filled in, tone friendly.
Chapters 5.
Additional info, key points. Click Generate ebook. In seconds, your high-quality ebook is generated according to your settings. You can scroll to preview the full text. You can copy or edit it in your editor.
You may download PDF or docx as well. There's also a support and help desk feature. Here, your customers can submit tickets to ask questions or request assistance. You can view all tickets, open, in progress, and resolved. And you can reply to them directly. If you're a reseller, you can access the Reseller Hub here. In History, you can see all your previously generated content. In API keys, you can choose which AI model you want to use. By default, it uses Grok, but you can switch to OpenAI, Gemini, or Grok by entering your API key. And that's the complete walkthrough of the WellnessMate AI. With this feature, you can build a professional digital store, import products instantly, create AI-powered landing pages, and start accepting real payments, all in just a few minutes.